Hello. In this video, let's look at the new Consolidated Homepage that allows access to all the key artifacts like DB projects, datasets, data flows, dashboards, analytics, and so on that exist within your Oracle Analytics environment. The homepage improves overall user experience by providing a simple way to search and find content within your system. If we click on the hamburger menu, we notice that projects, data, and machine learning options are no longer available, as they can now be directly accessed from the homepage. We see a new option called Catalog, which is similar to the OBIEE catalog and allows access to My folders and shared folders and the content within them. Homepage lists a variety of content like DB projects, dashboards, reports, datasets, data flows, machine learning models, and so on. You can customize your homepage and choose what all categories you want to see on the homepage. For each category, which is laid out as a swim lane, you have the option to hide it or choose a specific layout like the tiny, standard, or mosaic tiles layout. You can reorder the categories with a simple drag drop. Like I mentioned, dashboards and answers reports are listed on the homepage and can be directly invoked from here. Next, let's look at some enhancements to the search capability. Clicking on the search bar shows a list of types that you want to search on. If you choose projects and reports, it updates the search criteria to include all your projects, dashboards, analysis, and reports. Or you can choose an individual type like say data flow. So now when you type something in the search criteria, it only searches the data flow objects and lists the data flows that match your criteria. You can then view the results as a list, and if you have multiple types, you can sort by type. You can add another type to your search criteria, say dataset. It now displays all the data flows and datasets in your catalog. You can also click on any of these buttons and update the search criteria with the type that you are clicking on. So for instance, clicking on project and dashboards will set the filter to show all projects, dashboards, analysis, and reports. Data will set the type to these options and list all your connections, datasets, data flows, etc. So with a single click of these buttons, you're able to set your search criteria to list a few specific object types. When you click on favorite projects, it adds projects to the type and filters on favorites and lists all the projects marked as favorites. You can switch the filter from favorites to recent and see all the recently added projects. You can also type in a token in the filter, so you can type in filter and hit colon and choose the token you want to add. Similarly, you can enter the word type, hit colon and choose a token like say subject area. Now search can be used for two purposes, to search content or visualize data based on a search criteria. So when you type in a search, you're prompted with two options, whether you want to search content for this criteria or you want to visualize data using this criteria. When I choose visualize data, it brings me back revenue and cost data from my relevant data sets. I add city to my criteria and hit shift enter to choose visualize data option, and it brings me back the breakdown of revenue and cost by various cities. I can interact with my data from the homepage itself. I can zoom into a chart. I can maximize a visualization. I can perform location match on geographical data. I can choose any viz and click on the open in visualization mode so I can do further analysis. Thanks for watching this video.